Skund nyiri ma St. George's bore Nairobi koro olor apoya tok jopuonjre bedo marori kendo ng'anyo. Wachore ni chal ma kamano nokel kod tim mar japuonj moro chwado achiel kuom jopuonjre kendo kelo ne hinyruok. Tend skul nowacho ni okang' mar loro skul gi sani en mar chiwo thuolo makare mar timo nonro kendo fwenyo adieri ewi gino manotimore kendo miyo jopuonjre ng'anyo.
So when you cannot name the problem and when you as the head, you are faceless during a major crisis like this, there's a lot to question.
Come across a situation of this kind, it is customary to close the school for a short while. However, those that wish to remain
we have made a decision as the security team and the board that we declare the school closed. Further communication will follow.
What exactly happened yesterday night?
Investigations are ongoing.
What are the preliminary information that we should...
We are doing investigations.
On what?
On what transpired. Yeah?
Kindly tell us
yes,
what transpired.
We are doing investigations, surely.